In today's video, I'm going to show you this awesome feature on how to auto-cut all of your video clips in Capcut desktop completely for free in less than 1 minute. So the first step is to drag your video that you want to cut into specific segments. The next step is to right-click on the video on the timeline and click the option Split Scene. Now this may take a while, but wait for this to load. And trust me guys and girls, the before and the after will absolutely blow your mind. Okay, so see that Capcut now has officially split every single video clip or every scene into a single video clip. If you want, you can click Ctrl A and you can see how many cuts that you have in between your videos. Thanks for watching. Drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you found value.